So I feel like TWS earphones these days are more or less needed if you're buying a new phone. Even we're getting down to mid-range and budget phones now that are just taking away the headphone jack. So these things are needed, and Can Honor give us a affordable way to get into the completely wireless earphone route. You actually get this magnet on the box, which is a pretty cool thing. So you can actually reuse the box if you want to maybe transfer all the wires and the stuff inside like in a different way. So you can actually reuse the box, which is pretty cool. When you open it up, you get the earphones in the middle there, and then underneath you get all the different accompanying materials. You get a warranty card in one of the boxes, and the other box gives you a cable. And also you get some different earbuds that you can use, like silicone earbuds, different sizes. So depending on how big your ears are, you can swap them out, or if you lose them, whatever. So you've got some spares. Really good case, simple, effective, well put together. It's USB-C as well. You do get a USB-C charging cable in the box, but you don't get a charging brick in the box. It just gives you the cable. So USB-C goes into the back of the charger, goes into a USB-A. I'm sure you've got smartphone charging bricks plugged into the wall anyway, but you don't get that in the box. There's also magnets on the case. There's a magnet at the front of the case, so that clips down onto here. And of course, the earbuds do have magnets as well, and they just flip right into the case. If you put the wrong earbud, so if you put the right earbud into the left placement on here, it won't go in. The magnet stops it, so you will know pretty easily which earbud goes into which side of the case. Linking them up to your phones, I've just got an Honor phone here just to show you how it works on an Honor device or a Huawei device. But if you don't have a Huawei or Honor device, it still can link up to your phone. You can use Bluetooth to link it up to your phone very easily in the normal way. If you do have an Android phone though, you can actually just download the Huawei AI Life app, and that just pairs up really easily with any other Huawei accessories. And it just gives you a menu here that you can see. It is very simple. You can download this on any Android device through the Play Store. It gives you all the different options, and it tells you how much charge is in each of the earbuds separately, and the case as well, which is definitely a good thing. You can also download updates through this app if there are any updates for the drivers or anything like that. And also you can customize the different options in the earbuds. You can do some different things with the earbuds. So you can, for example, touch down or double tap, and it will do certain things like swipe through songs or pause the music. So definitely a really good feature. You don't have to reach for your phone. If it's in your pocket, you can just tap on the earbuds and it will stop the music. If you do have the app on your phone, you can see how quickly it pairs with the earbuds. As soon as you open up the case, it will start pairing, so pretty easy. And by the time you've put them in your ears, they will be linked up. So another really good feature about these that really did surprise me actually was the active noise cancellation. And it really does work. As soon as they're in your ears, you hear this sort of beep, and it starts cancelling the sound from the outside around you. And it honestly is really shocking how good it is. I didn't realize how much noise there is in the room around me. There's some different appliances like the air conditioner that you can hear. You don't really take notice of it, but you can definitely hear. As soon as these are in, you just can't hear anything. It sounds almost eerily silent. So the active noise cancellation definitely works. I can definitely feel that from these. In terms of sound quality, I was definitely pleased with them. I can't really tell you exactly how the sound quality is or test it out. They're just too small. But yeah, absolutely no problems whatsoever from this product. Definitely not disappointed with the sound quality. If you're getting some really big over-ear headphones, then you're going to get way more bass and things like that out of it. But for this type of in-ear headphone, TWS headphone, the sound quality is absolutely fine. Overall, these are definitely what you would want and expect from TWS earphones these days. Very good design, compact, fit in the ear well, good active noise cancellation, good sound quality overall. So yeah, look out for these. Internationally, they are called Honor Magic Buds. Subscribe for all the latest tech news and videos. That's it for now. I'll see you in the next one.